Hello, friend, and how are you doing? So today, let's discuss about the Sarah Mitchell NP review crash course. Okay, and Sarah Mitchell's NP review course is a comprehensive crash course which is aimed at helping nurse practitioners to pass their certification exam. And as you can see right there is a crash course monthly subscription, which is $139 per month. And here are also some things you stand to gain. I'm sure that you've already seen this, so I wouldn't want to start talking about all this and reading it one by one to you. Okay. So the reason why you're here today is because you want to learn more about this program and, know if it is the best fit for you. And as you know that on my channel here, what I do is mostly theoretical review, whereby I go online and make research about a particular topic, okay, or maybe there is something like anything paid on the internet, like programs or courses or softwares that I know that people need to pay for, and they are worried about if it is legitimate or not. So I go online on my private communities and paid forums that I belong to, and I make research, ask questions from people. Then I come here to feed you the best information regarding the program. So if that interests you, you might want to smash the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos on this channel. Now, back to this MP review by Sarah Mitchell, and it kind of includes a combination of review questions and also, practice exams and in-depth content that is tailored for the ANCC, which is the American Nurses Credentialing Center, and AAMP, which is an American Association of Nurse Practitioners exams. Okay, you can see an extra non-clinical video for both ANCC and AAMP. Okay, now the course is designed to offer essential information. Okay, which kind of focus on high yield topics that are likely to appear on the actual exams. Okay, and it also provides several practice tests, okay, which are crucial for understanding your preparedness and identifying weak areas. All right, so it's kind of has a flexible format, and it offers both crash courses and monthly subscription plans. So you can see right there the monthly subscription plans. Okay, although the pricing might be considered high by some people, because from my research, some people saying it's kind of too high for them. Okay, so that is just what the crash course is about. Now, let me go ahead talk about some things you need to know about the crash course, and also, talk about the good and bad I see about this, and I'll crown it up with my honest thought. Okay, so the crash course is, it kind of comes with a significant price point. Kind of a little bit, I although not that much though, but it comes with a monthly subscription of $139 per month, and there is also the comprehensive three-course bundle monthly subscription. That one is $319 per month. Okay, although I've seen a lot of people kind of still recommend combining it with other study materials like Lake or Fitzgerald, okay, for a more well-rounded review experience. All right, and also the practice tests are kind of a key element of Sarah Mitchell's review. So they are mostly practice tests, okay, so which kind of make it more accessible if you're on a budget. All right, and Sarah Mitchell's content is often praised for its structured and focused approach, okay, and particularly for those who need last minute preparation. So in case you need the last minute preparation, then Sarah Mitchell's course is it's still a good one. All right, so now regarding the good and bad that I see about this, well, the first one is the comprehensive crash course, okay, with IE topics that is tailored for nursing practitioners exams, okay, and it also includes several practical tests which helps with real world exam readiness. All right, and the third thing that I see about this that is good is the flexible purchasing options, okay, in case you don't want the full subscription. Okay, so that this is Sarah here. Okay, you can see Sarah Mitchell herself. This is her. Okay, she's the founder. All right, and regarding the bad that I see about this is that the cost might be a little bit expensive compared to other review program, okay, that are still much cheaper. All right, and several other people still said you can't rely fully on it, okay, for complete reviews. You might still need to combine it with several other materials like Lake or Fitzgerald, okay? And monthly subscription might not also be worth it if you only need the material for a short time, right? So those are the good and bad that I see about this, and also, what you should know. Now, let me just round this up with my honest thought, because I'm starting that you are here today because you want to know, okay, what exactly do I recommend? Well, I appreciate that Sarah Mitchell focuses on, high yield material, which can save a lot of people time, people like you time, when preparing for the exam, because most people do not have the time. They just want something that can get them results very fast. So it is well tailored for that, in case you are looking for last minute solution. Okay, but however, I think the cost of the course might be a barrier for some, okay, especially given other options, okay, like Barclay or Fitzgerald, okay, which are still out there. And also the feedback from people who have used our crash course is, generally positive, okay. For my research, a lot of people give positive reviews and opinions regarding Sarah, okay. So with a lot of people, many people kind of passing their exams after using a material, okay. And the flexibility of also being able to purchase individual parts of the course is a great advantage. Okay, you can purchase a part, all right, and it's kind of a good one. So overall, it seems like a well-rounded opinion and option, okay, for MP students who kind of need an extra boost in their exam preparation. Okay, so as for me, I recommend Sarah Mitchell's MP review, which from my research, a lot of people have been able to talk good about it, and they said they've been able to pass the exam with it. Although you need to know that they can't be 100% people, some people are still not going to pass. So you need to prepare well for it, and you need to practice, whatever it is that you have in your materials and put it into work. So that is what I have for you in today's video review. Thank you very much for your time, and I believe this review has been able to, shed more light into whatever you are, confused about. All right, and by the time you're done with this, you can decide to just go ahead, give it a try. As you know that my review videos are not affiliated, like I'm just doing this based on your best interest and giving you my honest thoughts from my research. So I don't want you to feel like maybe I am recommending this because I gain anything. I am gaining nothing from this. So whatever I see people curious about to know, and I see that okay, fine, people are curious and they are gonna be paying money for this. There are a lot of crappy products courses on the internet, so we need to be careful. And the economy is kind of too hard at this time. So whatever money we are investing into something, we should be able to make the best use of it. So that is why I am creating this review video for you guys. And if this this video interests you, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of over 200 video reviews here on this channel where I've talked about several courses on the internet and also programs that people need to pay money to join. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos on this channel. Till another time, peace and take care of yourself. Bye for now.